Hey, all you YouTubers out there. This is me with the Mustang. Finally got the gas tank on there. I didn't do a video on it, but got it under there. Gas smell kind of stink, because it's been sitting for about probably about 10 years. It's sitting about 10 years. I got a battery to put in it from Interstate Battery. Get it pretty cheap. Was feeling kind of down a little bit today, but feel a lot better now. It's gonna be the first startup since sitting for about 10 years. Here we go. We're gonna turn it over for the first time. Just put gas in it. Gas smell kind of old. I got some seafoam to put in there to try to clean out those injectors because it's been sitting so long. So I'm gonna put that in there right quick. Give it a little help. Hold on 1 second. I gotta set the phone down. Okay. I'm gotta take this gas cap off here. Put this funnel down in there. Throw the seafoam in there. I always use the seafoam. It's pretty good stuff. Put that in there. That over there. Set that right there. Gas can. Oh, get the top. I didn't mean to put it in the dirt. Alright, here we go. Let's see what it's gonna do. I saw my old gas lines when I was trying to put a electric fuel pump on there, but that wouldn't work, so I had to get a gas tank from the. Here we go. We can try it out. See what it does. I hear the pump coming on. Sounds like it's ready. Let's try it out. Here we go. Oh, first turnover. Fire it right up. Oh yeah. Fire right up on the first crank. Sounds great. It's been sitting for 10 years. Wow. Sounds really good. I'm gonna let it run a while and let it heat up for the first time in 10 years. 10 years sitting without being cranked for 10 whole years. Oh man, this is wonderful. Seeing the lights on the dash? No lights on the dash. No lights at all. That's a good sign. No lights at all. It's running. Smooth. Very smooth. Wow. That's a good sign. Hear how this all sounds? It's got the X pipes on it already. Gonna let it run here and see if it's gonna heat up. Temperature gauge is on cold. I don't know if you can see that, but temperature gauge is on cold. I'm gonna let it heat up and see what it does. Oil pressure is good. Battery power is good. It's halfway. Yeah. It's running. It's starting to heat up. I can smell it. We're going to see what it's going to do. Check the radiator, make sure the fluid is in there. Oh yeah, good green fluid. Been sitting for 10 years. Oh yeah, it's good. Put that back on there, get the pressure built up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pull it down up off this whole hill. It hasn't moved. Let me see if it's got transmission fluid in it. See if it's gonna move a little bit. Let's try that. You know. Get it off those ramps. In fact, let me check for some leaks. Make sure I ain't got no gaskets in it. Up under here. Everything looks pretty good so far. Let's see if we got any. Brake pedal going to the floor. Don't really like that. Yeah, that's not a good sign there. Oh yeah, it went in reverse. And drive. Let it heat up a little more before I do anything, any movement. I don't want to cause no problems, so I'm gonna let it just heat up a little while. See if I can get it to run it to normal temperature. Check all the gaskets and stuff. Oh, it runs so smooth. This is surprising for 10 years sitting without being cranked and fired up. Great. Be all right. It's gonna be a nice project. That's how smooth that motor's running. Very smooth. Very smooth. That's so surprising. Wow. Sounds great. chapter on in a while. Hopefully everything is working out. Let's see what the temperature is now. Maybe it moved a little bit. All the lights work. Yeah, it's lit up. Get that temperature gauge to move a little bit. I feel a little better about it. So let it just run a little bit. Lights work. Those lights work. Lights for the tail lights work. Let's check out the front. Park lights. They don't have no headlights right now. Let's check out the headlights, see what's going on with that. I'm gonna have to try to figure out what's going on with the headlights. Don't have any headlights. Okay, now temperature gauge has moved a little bit more. It's starting to move. I think it's doing great. Same guy who donated the car donated that pile of oak wood right there. He's a real good guy, real good friend. We've been friends for a very long time. You know, we've been friends. He knows all about a lot of things that I do and stuff. He's a real good guy. Let it run for a while, get it warmed up. See if I can pull it off, move it around a little bit once it gets to normal running temperature. And if I cut you back on, and once I get ready to try to move it, let it warm up right now. Until then, like, subscribe, comment.